Hi everyone, and thanks for joining my channel. I'm here on the back side of my travel trailer taking a look at the slide and the slide seals. So sometimes these go bad and they start to rip, and that's exactly what mine did. Real easy to replace, it's just 2 screws. Let me show you what I mean. So this is the slide seal that ripped on the other side of my slide. It's just a little seal that kind of prevents things from going in and out when you have your slide totally open or totally closed. At the bottom here, you have 1 screw, and at the top, you have another screw. All you do is remove these screws, and this whole piece slides off. Let me show you how that looks. Now the slide seal will just slide right off, and it pulls off all the way up. Here's what the piece looks like when it's not attached to the camper. You can see you have this channel inside here, and here's the flap and the seal. So we're going to slide this on the metal piece and screw it in. Right here is the metal piece that this rubber channel slides onto. It's really easy. Just slides on, push it down, and then you slide it up all the way up into there. Once it gets high enough, we'll put the screw right in there.
Daddy, how much did you pay for the flap?
This is about $12. Now all I have to do is push it onto that metal channel all the way down. Here's the pre-drilled hole. All I'm gonna do is screw this right into there. I think I missed it, but that's okay. I had to call up 2 RV stores. This is a Keystone Hideout. I went to an RV store that did not carry Keystone, and they did not have this brand of slide seal. I went to a different one that carries Keystone Hideouts, and they had this exact slide. So check it out, call first, or you can pick it up online, but I went to an actual RV store. Thanks for watching.